Welcome back to It Pays to Save, where we're going to show you smart, simple, successful strategies for finding financial freedom. As you know, this is a 4-step program. Step 1, and now we're going to talk about Accounting 101. So let's take a minute to see what we've learned up to this point. First, we know how important it is to have a plan. And next, we realized how very small changes in your daily spending habits can be the difference between drowning in debt and retiring rich. We then looked at the big picture, your net worth. Though it may not be impressive now, it's important to know where you are, and more important to know where you want to be. Now, it's obvious you can increase your net worth by saving more and spending less, and although we haven't discussed this yet, you can also grow your net worth by increasing the amount of money coming in each month, or by learning to earn more. But more on that later. This chapter is called Accounting 101, where we're going to discuss two forms of the word accounting. First, we'll dig into accounting for all the impulse items and incidentals that we buy every day, and then we'll talk about the numbers. Starting with the first form of accounting, there's a proven way to save 15% every time you spend money on purchases. You have to account for it. Whenever you take money out of your pocket, regardless of whether it's cash, credit card, or check, always write down how much you spend and what you spent it for. You'll have to carry a pad of paper with you at all times and stick to it. It's an easy way to account for your daily purchases, and it'll make you think twice before spending your hard-earned money, as studies have shown that it works. This is a proven study. Shoppers save around 15% by limiting unnecessary purchases, and it's also a great way to track your spending habits. It's recommended that you create these lists for 2 to 3 months so you can accurately account for your spending and compare your spending habits with the previous months. It may seem tedious, but it does all add up. If you don't want to write everything down while you're in the store, then another way to save and track your money is to ask for receipts for everything. That's right, everything. Lunch, tolls, gas, snacks, etc. If you can't get a receipt from like a vending machine, then don't buy it. At the end of every day, write on the receipt what it was for and add up how much you have spent that day. Then file the daily receipts in a monthly folder, and at the end of the month, go back and see how much you've spent and what you've spent it on. Then try to improve on your spending habits for the next month. Continue to save in every aspect of your spending habits. And if you're still falling short each month, consider the other side of the coin, earning more money. In the next step, we'll go over ways to earn more money, whether it's from your current job, a part-time job, a new job, or a profitable hobby or skill. The basics of accounting is really about pluses and minuses. There's really only 2 ways to improve your financial picture. We spent the majority of this step on ways to save by spending less money, the minuses. But basic accounting shows you there's another way to improve your financial picture, and that's to make more money, the plus. So let's move on. Okay, in our next step, we're going to learn to earn more money. Step number 13. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to visit itpaystosave.com, where you can pick up the workbooks and ebooks and the important customizable spreadsheets that go along with the program, the newly released and updated content, the only place where you'll find the exclusive content, some limited time offers, and even some freebies. Again, that's at paystosave.com, where you're going to find everything you need for the program in one place.